how to use Stripe for SMMA. Hello and welcome to our channel. On this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Stripe for SMMA. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Stripe, you can also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Stripe, it is a leading payment processing solution that caters primarily to online businesses, in which it offers a robust suite of services that enable swift integration of merchant services into shopping carts, making it a popular choice among e-commerce entrepreneurs. And one of the Stripe's key strengths is its advanced reporting tools, which allow businesses to generate customized reports with detailed insights on revenue, refunds, fees, and receivables. And operating on an interchange plus pricing model, Stripe ensures transparent merchant fees, helping business owners effectively manage their finances. Now, to start using Stripe in SMMA, which is Social Media Marketing Agency, all you need to do from here under Capture Recurring Revenue is to click the Start with Billing button or click the link in the description below. Then you will be able to be directed on this page. And to start setting up your account, just proceed by clicking Start Now button below here. And upon clicking on it, you will be able to be directed in here. And to create your Stripe account, all you need to do is to enter your email address, full name, your country, and also to enter your password. After filling out all of the required information, just click this Create Account button to proceed. Then you will be able to be directed on this dashboard, in which it will ask you what kind of pricing model that you prefer. We have here flat rate, usage-based, one-off, invoices, but in those options I'm going to choose this flat rate, which is a fixed recurring fee paid for continuous access to your product or service. And after that, you will be able to be directed on this page. And as you can see, we're currently under test mode. But if you don't want to use test mode, you could also start completing your profile business, in which all you need to do is to simply fill out all of the required information to be directed on this dashboard in here. And as you can see, you will be able to see here on the left side panel some of the options that you can start navigating to also set up your product catalog in here, your online checkout, create subscriptions, and many more. However, to start creating either recurring payments or subscription, all you need to do is to simply click the plus icon on the top right corner, then just click the subscription or recurring charge, in which by clicking on it, we will be able to be directed on this page under all subscriptions. From here, it will show you that the first thing that you need to do on this pop-up window is to simply fill out your customer name. For example, I'm just going to enter here a random name for customer, which is John Mark. After entering here the name of your customer, below here are their subscription details, is to enter the duration for the subscription. From here, you can simply choose different kind of duration depending on your preferences, until forever depending on a selected date in here. We have here 1 cycle, 2 cycle, 3 cycle, 6, and even 12 cycles. However, for example, at this option, I'm going to choose this forever in here. So basically, the duration of this plan or subscription will be starting on July 24 to forever. And after that, just proceed by simply adding the first product in here. And to do that, kindly click this Add Product button, in which upon clicking on it, we'll be able to be directed in here. And all you need to do is simply enter the name of your product, for instance, Canva Premium Account. And after entering here the name of the product, just fill out this description, which it appears at checkout on the customer portal and in quotes. So I'm going to enter here Canva with premium features. And also below here, you could even upload an image if you want to. And by clicking these more options, from here, it will show you that you could also add a statement descriptor, unit label to describe how you sell your product, a metadata to store additional structured information, and many more. And even this marketing feature list. But below here, just select this recurring instead of this one-off option, since we're using or we're creating a subscription payment that is recurring. And after that, below here, you could also enter the amount required. For example, the subscription fees is $99.99 USD and the billing period is monthly. But you could also choose either quarterly, weekly, and many more. And by clicking this more pricing option, from here you could also add here different kind of price description to organize your prices, such as to add tax and many more. And if you're now done, just click this Add Product button. And after successfully adding the product that we just created, you'll be able to see it in here. By clicking these 3 dots, you could also add coupons if you want to add product task and even remove the product. Now moving on below here, you will be able to see some other details including the bill monthly starting date, the proration behavior, and you could also enter here the free trial days. For example, the free trial that we're going to offer is at least 7 days. And you could also add here a metadata if you want to, by entering here the key and the value. And also, you could add here a pace or a subscription updates. However, at this point, I'm not going to apply this one, so I'm going to click this cancel button to proceed. Now moving on under subscription settings. From here, you could also navigate or customize under payment to automatically charge a payment method on file, or you could just send an email invoice to the customer to pay manually. However, in those options, I'm going to choose to automatically charge a payment method on file. Moving on under invoice template, from here you could also create your new template or manage template if you want to. Now under this advanced section, from here you could add here a description of your subscription, an invoice memo, invoice footer, and even a custom invoice fields. So as you can see under invoice memo, instead of that message which says thank you for your business, I'm going to enter here or change this into thanks for subscribing. And after that, just proceed by clicking schedule the subscription button below here to proceed. But you can even add here another details including invoice footer and custom invoice fields if you want to. Now going back in terms of template of invoices, from here we can simply click this manage all templates if you want to select a specific template given on this platform. However, as you can see, there's no currently a templates available. So to create one, we can just go back on this page. However, once you go back, you also need to fill out all the required information once again, since all the details and information that we just entered has been deleted. And now going back again under this template of invoices, at this point I'm just going to create a new template by clicking this create new template button. From here it will show you on the right side panel what the invoice template looks like. And on the left side panel under template name, you could also customize the name of this template. For example, I'm going to enter here invoice template. While under preview, you could also enter here the invoice ID if you want to, in which it will reflect on your invoice templates that you just give to your customer. And in the left side panel, you could also create your new group if you want to. However, at this point, we'll not be able to create a new template since we're currently using the test mode in here. So basically, by filling out all of the required information in here, including this advanced settings, you'd also click this create the subscription to proceed. However, I'm going to close this window right here, but that's just basically the step-by-step process on how you can create recurring payments for your social media marketing agency or SMMA. And from here, you could also navigate on the left side panel, such as your payments, to link some other payment methods that you prefer, and navigate your disputes, radar, payment links, terminal, your billing, such as your overview, subscriptions, invoices, and many more. So basically, recurring payments is important since it provides a steady and predictable revenue stream, helping businesses manage their cash flows more effectively, and this stability allows for better financial planning and decision making. So that is just basically how you can use Stripe for SMMA. Thank you.